Hello, my name is Wayne Desmond and welcome to Sony Professional Media at NAB 2013, where Sony Pro Media continues to keep pace with developments in video acquisition as well as innovative archive solutions. Starting with S/S memory cards, the industry's principal choice of solid-state media for professional HD and now 4K video acquisition. Earlier this year, we introduced our new S/S Pro Plus memory cards, specifically designed for Sony's new F5 and F55 Cine Alta 4K cameras. Here we have a F55, with a minimum write speed 3 times that of previous S/S Pro cards, and the new Pro Plus cards are well positioned to support video recording in 4K XAVC Intra 422 60p or HD XAVC Intra 422 at 180p, both generating write speeds of 600 megabits per second. Based on Sony internal testing, the new Pro Plus cards have a maximum write transfer speed of 1.5 gigabits per second and a maximum read transfer speed of 1.6 gigabits per second. These cards are truly packed with performance. This is enabled through an efficient data writing method made possible by a new controller with an intelligence function that avoids speed degradation when used with compatible Sony cameras such as the F5 and F55. And in case I forgot to mention, the best part of all, they are more affordable than their predecessor S/S Pro cards with a lower cost per gigabyte. Pro Plus cards come in 2 capacities, 64 gigabyte and 128 gigabyte. Record times with 128 gigabyte model on an F55, for example, range from 20 minutes on a card in XAVC Intra 422 at 60p mode, that's 600 megabits per second, up to 240 minutes in MPEG 422 30p mode, that's 50 megabits per second. To complement these high-performance cards, we are also showing our S/S1 memory card lineup. In addition to S/S1 cards supporting our wide range of PMW cameras at 35 and 50 megabit per second, it is important to remember that these cards also support the new F5 and F55 cameras and are recommended for 2K and HD 422 codecs ranging from 50 all the way up to 220 megabits per second. Moving on to our new optical disc archive system. Optical disc cartridge, as you see here, is a mass storage media developed specifically for our optical disc archive or ODA system. With optical disc technology, it remains simple, with a low total cost of ownership and proven reliability. Consistent with professional XDCAM disc, ODA media has an estimated 50-year shelf life. Each cartridge consists of 12 bare discs mounted as a single large volume. The quick random access to files inherent in optical systems lends itself to efficient near-line storage as well as archive storage. The cartridges come in a variety of capacities, from 300 gigabytes all the way up to 1.5 terabytes. We start with the 300 and the 600 gigabyte capacity, both of which are available in either write-once or rewritable models. Next up is the 200 or the 1200 gigabyte or 1.2 terabyte capacity, expected to ship in September 2013. This capacity will be available in a rewritable model only. And the largest capacity of all, weighing in a massive 1.5 terabytes, is currently available in a write-once only, and that's our quad-layer disc used there. Imagine being able to securely back up 48 hours of 50 megabit per second 422 video on a single write-once optical disc. The 1.5 terabyte cartridge makes this a reality. Key features of this new storage system and media include the utilization of an open UDF file system, making it easy to share and exchange. It also supports future drive generation backward compatibility. Unlike hard drive or data tape archive, where copy migration is done on the average 3 to 4 or 6 to 7 years respectively, ODA media maintains backward read compatibility and once again a secure archive life estimated at 50 years. ODA systems include drive and compact and scalable libraries. Next comes our professional XDCAM disc, co-engineered with XDCAM HD cameras and decks. With this optical media, it is all about the workflow and it truly supports your acquisition to archive needs. The lineup begins with 3 rewritable discs, a single, dual, and triple layer disc. The single layer disc at 23 gigabytes enables 43 minutes of HD 422 50 megabit per second recording. The 50 gigabyte dual layer increases that to 95 minutes, and the new 100 gigabyte triple layer doubles that at 190 minutes, over 3 hours of HD 422 50 megabit per second recording. The new triple layer will be available approximately June 2013. And finally, there's our quad layer 128 gigabyte write once disc for safe and secure backup capable of storing 240 minutes or 4 hours of content recorded at HD 422 50 megabits per second. The single and dual layer discs are primarily for acquisition, while the triple and quad layer discs are designed for archival use and not compatible with the PDW camcorders. All these optical discs also have an estimated shelf life of 50 years, bringing security to the archival life of your valuable content that can only be matched by the reliability of XDCAM system on which it was first acquired. As the market leader in professional recording media, Sony Professional Media is committed to the development of reliable and innovative products that support our loyal customers now and into the 4K future. From Sony Professional Media at the NAB 2013 booth, thanks for stopping by and learning about our new products. And if you'd like to learn more, go to sony.com/promedia and look up whatever products you'd like. Thanks for watching.